Hello, my name is Will Hunt and I'm going to be showing off my Lab 9 presentation video. This is going to have components from Arduino, from processing. It uses a breadboard, a lot of wiring, it's got a battery pack, it's got a stepper motor, it's got a servo over here, and it's got a record player. So let's just jump into how it works. So the servo and this stepper motor work in tandem with each other to choose a requested song on the record here. And that is going to be selected right here with these wiring. So right now we have a 0 slot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for each of the songs. So whichever one has this orange power going to it is the one that's going to be selected. So right now it's in the resting position. And for example, I'm going to go and play song 2. So I'm going to wire this up to port 2. Alright, I just moved the power to position 2. And now when I run this program, it should make this move into the second position on the right. As you can see right now, I just pressed it. There's a pause function when I put my finger down, and when I let it go, it's going to go back to playing. You can see, I'm going to do it again, there's a little logo here. When I pause on processing, and when I let go, it's going to go back to play. Now when I want it to go back to 0, I'm going to move the cords back to the power to the 0 position. Alright, I just moved them, and now I'm going to run. And it resets it back to the initial position. And over here we have our song number. It's got a 0 right now because there's no song playing, and it's ready to go for the next song. So just to prove that it works for any number between 0 and 6, I thought it'd be fun to go on a dice roller online, and we're going to get the number 5. So now I'm going to change this to the number 5 and prove that we're... There we go, it's now plugged into the 5 position, and I'm going to go ahead and run. Alright, and now I'm running it with the 5th one right here. The stepper motor gets power from the batteries. Since the Arduino would not be able to power it reliably, the battery power is also charging, providing the power for the servo, so that's not having to pull from the Arduino either. This is the wiring for the stepper motor component. This down here is the photoresistor, which is connected to a regular resistor from a power source to a ground. And basically, depending on how much resistance I give to the photoresistor by either allowing light to go through or not allowing light to go through, that's going to change the voltage that's at this middle point here, and that's going to change whether the play or pause function executes. So I have it reading at if it's above or below 500 as the amount of voltage needed for that. 500 meaning out of 1024, so it's about halfway to the maximum voltage. That is the project. I hope you enjoyed.